Let's show what I got. Here's the first one. Very rare. It was a one-time release. Just needs a quick repair the steps and it's good. This one here. I found this one here. This one here is one of the first few ones. I'll get the better one when I can. Now on the bottom we have my cars. These cars are new. That's one. This super dumb. I wonder how you enter. You probably enter to like another car or something. That would be a good bet. Deep contract Beetle. This one's the HUD. This one's the HUD. This is the Hudson Bay. This is the lightweight coach. This is the cafe bar lounge. And I was lucky to like find them. Very lucky. Here you have my freight cars. This is Nestle. This is Wonder. Close the door. Here's one of the few old cars on the Lex. Just needs a quick repair and a new coupler. And it's good to go. Install.